I dug deep into the soil and collected hundreds of earthworms. And locked them inside a plastic pot with one hard, fresh potato. No cutting, no boiling, just raw and solid. After a few days, something shocking happened.
As I started digging into the moist soil and I found them everywhere, earthworms, silent engineers of the underground world. Most people think worms are weak and harmless, but these tiny creatures control soil health across the planet. Shocking fact. A single acre of land can contain over 1 million earthworms.
While digging into the soil, I expected to find worms, but instead I discovered something unexpected. Tiny, soft, glowing eggs hidden in the damp earth. These are earthworm cocoons. Each one holds the future of the soil. Inside these small capsules, baby worms are slowly developing. In just a few weeks they will hatch and begin their underground life. A single cocoon can release multiple baby worms, silent, unseen, and powerful. This is how the soil renews itself from beneath our feet.
As I keep digging deeper into the soil, I notice something surprising. The worms are not easy to pull out. They resist. Their bodies grip the earth. With surprising strength, earthworms use tiny bristles called seta. These microscopic hooks anchor them firmly into the soil. When threatened, they contract powerful circular and longitudinal muscles. This creates friction against the soil walls, making them extremely difficult to separate from the ground. Their bodies are built in segments, each segment working like a flexible hydraulic system, allowing them to push, pull, and lock into place. This strength is not for fighting. It is for survival. It helps them escape predators. It helps them tunnel through dense soil, and it allows them to survive underground pressure. Beneath our feet, these soft creatures are engineered for power. Silent, flexible, and stronger than they look.
Watch closely how the earthworm moves. It stretches its body forward, then contracts and pulls the rest behind. This motion is called peristalsis. Tiny bristles called setae grip the soil, locking each segment in place. Muscles squeeze in waves from head to tail, soft body, powerful movement, engineered for life underground.
Earthworms may look simple, but their impact is massive. Some species can live up to 8 years in the wild. The longest earthworm ever recorded measured over 3 meters. There are more than 7,000 known species worldwide. Scientists estimate there are billions of earthworms on Earth. In healthy soil, there can be millions in just 1 acre. Nearly all fertile topsoil has passed through a worm at some point.
There are more earthworms on Earth than humans. They have no lungs, yet they breathe through their skin. Without worms, most fertile soil would disappear. Tiny creatures, planetary impact.
Here are hundreds of earthworms inside this plastic pot, alive, moving, twisting together. Now I add fresh soil into the pot, creating a small underground world. Earthworms survive by staying in moist, oxygen-rich soil. Without moisture, they cannot breathe. Now I place one hard, raw potato inside. It looks solid, untouched, and strong, but underground nothing organic stays safe for long. Microorganisms will begin breaking it down, and these worms will turn it into soil again. Nature does not waste. It transforms. Now we are watching the potato in time lapse. At first it looks unchanged, hard still and untouched. But inside the soil, life is already working. Bacteria and fungi begin breaking down the surface. Earthworms sense chemical changes in the soil. They are attracted to the softened areas. Slowly tunnels begin to appear. Slowly tunnels.
Earthworms do not eat fresh food first. They farm microbes on it. They depend on microorganisms to pre-digest their meal. This is not destruction. It is underground recycling in action. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.